Let's learn how to raise volume in Premiere Pro. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Start by selecting your audio clip on the timeline and navigating to the Audio tab, which opens the Essential Sound panel. Set the type of audio, e.g. music or dialogue, then adjust the clip volume slider to raise the volume up to 15 dB. If you need more, press the G key with the clip selected to open the gain dialog box, and increase the gain by your desired value. For increasing volume for specific parts, use the razor tool to cut the section, select it, and adjust the clip volume in the panel. To smooth transitions, add a constant gain effect from the effects panel at the cut points. That's it.